Hello and welcome to the FastReport's Academy. In this lesson, I'm going to show you the basics of data highlight, and specifically the continuous highlight visualization. Let's begin. So, in this slice, we have the analysis of sales of a group of managers. For the start, let's explain the measures. Amount is the summed quantity of products in all of the orders. Cost is the total cost, paid total received payments, and balance is the current balance from the database. So, the amount measure has one highlight rule. To edit it, you can double-click it or press the Edit button. The highlight rule consists of two parts: the rule type and the highlight type. And the highlight type selection depends on the rule type you select. And in this case, rule type is highlight all cells depending on value. And we're gonna look at every highlight type that this rule supports. So, this rule applies to every cell. As you can see, every cell's fill is set to a certain color, highlighting it. And the highlight type dictates the color of the highlight. First highlight type is two-color scale. We can set two values and two colors. And the cell's highlight color is calculated according to its value's position between the values we set. Right now, the anchor values are the minimal and the maximal values. And you can also set them to a certain number, percent or a percentile. Let's set a custom scale from 0 to 10,000. This shows you how the algorithm treats the values outside of the range. Ones that are greater than the maximum are highlighted with the same color as the maximal value. And the same goes for the values that are less than the minimum value. The three-color scale is basically the same, but there's an extra color in between, the average value. Next, the bar highlight type. It's similar to the color highlight. We set the minimal and maximal values, and they get assigned to the bar lengths. Let's compare. Here's how this measure will be highlighted with the two-color scale. As you can see, the color shifts into green when a bar is longer. Now let's look at the last type of continuous highlight, icon set. Again, same idea as the color scale, but now we have from 2 up to 4 anchor values. And the scale essentially gets divided into that plus 1 segments. So right now we have 5 icons we can set. There are several preset icon sets, and by switching between them, you can change the number of segments. And you can swap every icon with the one you need from this set of icons. You can also quickly reverse the icon order and hide the cell values. This is useful when you have two identical measures, and use the second one for highlight. This was today's lesson on FastCube. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. And be sure to check out other videos on the channel. At this moment, there are playlists for videos about FastCube and FastReport.net, and links to them are in the description.